In this video, I'll show you how you can launch your lessons to your students. From the home page, you would click Teach, and then find your unit and lesson you want to launch. For example, Mapping the Wonders of the World. I'm going to select Period 1, and then click Teach this lesson. You can see all three of my activities are unlocked for my students, but I can quickly lock them all or individually lock and unlock them. As my students respond to assessment questions, I'll be able to see their responses, and I can also see responses here and hide them. Throughout the lesson, I have access to turn BaxterBot on and off for the entire class, or I can individually turn them on and off for each student. If throughout the lesson they are saying something inappropriate to BaxterBot, I would get an alert here. For example, you can see this message from Amelia. At the end of the lesson, I can also go into accommodations and record any additional accommodations that were used by my students. At the end, I would click Stop Teaching, and the next step would be to reflect on this lesson.